Do you have a need for speed? Are you manic about muscle? You pulled into the right place. It's Money Metal with Kenny Wallace. Brought to you by Gateway Classic Cars, the world leader in connecting man to machine. 13 showrooms across America and growing, with more than 1,600 big money rides. Buckle up for some awesome Money Metal. Here's Kenny.
Enthusiasts, collectors, and crazy car dudes like me, welcome to Gateway Classic Cars. In this episode, we're putting the top down while driving your investment up. You'll see how these smoking hot convertibles can also be a powerful tool in your portfolio. Gives new meaning to stock car. And if making money on a cool car isn't enough, how about a little matchmaking? You might be hiding a car we are seeking. Find out what's in high demand in this month's Hide and Seek. Let's get this party started. I'm in hot rod heaven, and because you're along for the ride, you're in heaven with me. No place, no company, no dealer in America has more classic cars to show you every day of the year than my friends here at Gateway Classic Cars. We're at their headquarters just outside of St. Louis, Missouri, home to my beloved St. Louis Cardinals. You know, actually, I'm wearing their underwear. No, I can't show you the underwear, but you can find Gateway showrooms in cities all across America. Here's the full list of cities we're in right now, and more showrooms are coming soon. Hell, we'll have more grand openings than my beer refrigerator. Why so many showrooms, you ask? Because the demand for classic cars is zoomed through the roof. And here at Gateway, we perfected the art of how to marry the seller with the buyer. The easiest way to find us and to check out over 1,600 awesome cars is right here. Our website shows every car at every showroom. Millions of car lovers are checking it out each month. There are videos and photos on every classic vehicle. You'll find trucks, cars, motorcycles, and every single day that inventory is changing. And if you don't see the dream car you want, let us know. Hell, we'll find it or we'll go steal it. Nah, I'm just kidding. What we have perfected at Gateway Classic Cars is the art of putting owners of great cars with people who will buy these awesome rides. I know what you're thinking. Shut up, Kenny. You want me to tell you about that smoking hot 66 Jaguar behind me. So let's get to it. This is our first featured convertible. As a tribute to summertime, we're taking the top down and showcasing a few beauties in this episode. This is one exotic, incredible car. Before I show it to you, here's a fun little factoid about Jaguar. Did you know this car maker started out as a swallowed sidecar company? There's a joke there, but I'm not going to touch it. Anyway, they made these little death traps for motorcycles back in 1922. Thank goodness some bright dude decided to start putting motors in cars in 1935. And they eventually changed the name to Jaguar. The E-Series also has technology ahead of its time, including that famous Jaguar 4.2-liter inline six-cylinder with triple SU carburetors with 265 horse and 284 pounds of torque, all coming from a car weighing less than 3,000 pounds? Out of the box, this baby can do 150 miles per hour and 0 to 60 in less than 7 seconds. It has disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, independent front and back suspension. In 1966, this stuff was rare. I'm telling you, this is a gem. Still in the original primrose yellow color. The odometer shows 55,634 original miles. But I'm gonna add about 20 more miles to this baby when this show is over. I love this car. While this gem comes with a nice price tag, it will be a great investment. The prices on these high-quality E-Type Jaguars continue to soar. This is a Roadster that looks good in your garage and on your investment portfolio report. It will outperform a Triumph, an MG, and the stock market. You can see this incredible car in person with a visit to the St. Louis showroom, or check out all the details on this 1966 Jaguar XKE at www.gatewayclassiccars.com. If you like this 66 Jaguar, you'll probably want to check out this 55 Porsche. It's a reconditioned 550 Spider, 4-speed manual, gorgeous silver, red interior, only 768 miles on a brand new VW engine. These cars got me so excited that I need to take a quick little pit stop. But our top-down summertime special continues with the badass 2004 Viper, a Boss Bel Air and one of the hottest American collectible cars ever made. It's my tribute to Prince. Little red Corvette. Hey, we're back quicker than you can sing the rest of that song verse.
Letting a beauty like this go isn't easy. That's why people have trusted Gateway Classic Cars since 1999. We take care of it all, from selling to financing and trades, international shipping, even the advertising. We make sure your prized classic car is seen by millions of buyers across the globe who will give top dollar for your ride. Sell your vintage gem with the world's largest classic car company. Call Gateway Classic Cars at 844-392-3773.
Welcome back. We are full of useless information as we keep our convertible theme on this show. We celebrated good old Ben Ellerbeck. I don't know who Ben Ellerbeck is. Anyway, he invented the first hardtop convertible. He put it on a Hudson Coupe in 1922. However, it was never mass produced or made popular until a few decades later, Buick, Ford, and Cadillac stole his ideal and made all the money, leaving Ben flat broke. Well, really, I made up that last one. I have no idea what happened to Ben Ellerbeck. Does anybody know what happened to Ben Ellerbeck?
We'll check.
Oh gosh. Hey, thank goodness old Ben invented the retractable roof so that we can celebrate summertime in America with the top down. And if you love money metal that celebrates American industrial might and powerhouse cars, then come with me back to 1965 where chrome was king and horsepower soared.
Motor Trend recently wrote that there are few cars in America that are surrounded by as much myth and endearment as the famous GOAT. This 1965 convertible Pontiac GTO is loaded with endearing qualities. The numbers matching 389 V8 tri-power engine and Turbomatic transmission to go with a perfect turquoise finish with black top and black interior. This American-made GTO gem was only made from 1964 to 74, and many credit the GOAT as the start of the American muscle car craze. To learn more about this incredible convertible, from pricing to dozens of close-up pictures, go to GatewayClassicCars.com or visit the St. Louis showrooms. While you're there, be sure to check out this incredible 1955 Chevy Bel Air, a masterpiece of metal. Truly one of the cleanest, most incredible mid-50s Bel Airs you will ever find. This is automotive art. Sitting on a custom frame with street ride suspension, GM rack and pinion steering, power brakes, and a freshly built 700 automatic transmission. This car isn't just smooth, it's scary smooth. With modern amenities like navigation, Sirius radio, backup camera, and a juiced-up sound system. The ultra leather interior and Mercedes carpet and plush floor mats complement the 3-stage, 2-tone paint job that glistens in any light. The car has only 4,000 miles on it since it was completely restored. If you're a serious car collector, this gem is anxious to be in your garage. It's a 6-figure investment, but truly one of the best Bel Airs you will ever see. Call Gateway Classic Cars for details or learn more on the website. And finally, let's fast forward 48 years, and I mean fast forward, to this remarkable 2003 Dodge Viper SRT 10 Roadster. 10 as in V10 power plant. An 8.3-liter engine with 500 horsepower and more than 525 pounds of torque. This red convertible will turn heads along every mile you drive and bend a few ears with an incredible roar coming from the unique side exhaust. This SRT 10 Viper has only 12,690 miles. It's begging to be driven, and you're the right person to do it. Priced to sell at just $43,995, this roaring red convertible will not be around long at that price. Call the St. Louis showroom today, 618-271-3000, or read more about this 2003 Dodge Viper at gatewayclassiccars.com. Tell them Kenny Wallace sent you and get absolutely nothing off the price. Now back to Kenny with more Money Metal.
Oh, baby. When you see great classic cars like these, say it with me. Money Metal. Both those cars are on our website right now, but no guarantees they will be there tomorrow. Because here at Gateway Classic Cars, that's what we do. We sell cars, over $175 million worth of Money Metal sold in less than 20 years. This year, with 13 showrooms, we'll do about $54 million in sales because people are seeing the value. I'm telling you, don't buy gold. Stocks are overrated. Bonds are boring. But Money Metal just keeps on appreciating. I know what you're thinking. Why take investment advice from a dude with 300 car wrecks in his NASCAR career? I've slammed into more walls than Wilt Chamberlain slammed. You know what I mean? Don't take my word for it. Let's turn to one of our car investment experts here at Gateway Classic Cars. His name is John Bush, but I thought he needed a banker-like name, an important sounding name. After all, he is our money guru at Gateway, our dinero dude, the Jack of the Jack. Please welcome everybody, Jack Worthington.
My name's John Bush. Hi there, Kenny.
Oh, lighten up, Jack. Welcome to Money Metal. I'm telling people that an investment in a cool car can not only be a lot of fun, but unlike art, wine, or real estate, the investment trends on classic cars are crazy. Right, Jack?
That's John. But certainly, Kenny, CNBC recently did a story highlighting the fact that classic cars have generated nearly 500% returns over the past decade. That's outpacing wine and art by over 100% and certainly outpacing the S&P 500 during the same 10-year span. They've actually created a new asset class called passion funds, and within that portfolio class, they have classic car passion funds. These luxury assets have moved from being collectibles to now being a wise investment in a diversified portfolio. There are now private equity funds out there who are seeking limited production, rare, classic sports cars, offering top dollar because of the skyrocketing buyer trends. And as these baby boomers age, many of whom are holding significant savings, these toys from their childhood become an attractive investment. Something they want, something they can enjoy, and certainly something that doesn't just retain its value, but actually gains significant value.
Jack, that's a good point. You can't drive a Rembrandt or Monet down a winding road with the top down.
It's John. And no, you can't.
Oh, I never understood the whole wine collecting thing. If it's a valuable wine, you don't want to drink it? Or if you do get a wild hair and pop that cork and pound it down, then it has no value? It's just an empty bottle. Right, Jack?
You got a point there, Kenny. And my name's John.
Stay with me, Jack. If you're just now tuning in, we have a car investment specialist, Jack Worthington. He's with us right now. Now, Jack, assuming I want to get you into this passion fund investment, you say buyers and investors are hot on classic sports cars? So if I told you that my wife, hi honey, that I wanted to buy this gorgeous 1961 candy apple red Corvette, convertible with a 5.7 V8, this would be a wise investment?
Certainly. That particular make and model would be a very wise investment. Right now, Corvettes from 1953 to 68 are red hot. Kenny, we've seen spikes, depending on condition and features, over just the past 5 years, between 150 and 200%, with no signs of slowing down. Demand is outpacing supply, and that particular Corvette is a showstopper. Literally, it won Best Corvette at the 2015 Super Chevy Show. Now, in the past 5 years, we've seen huge spikes in 63, 64, and 65 Corvettes, between 12 and 18% value increases, even in just the past 12 months.
Well, Jack, be little. We just happen to have a stunning custom 1963 Corvette, I might add, that's the year I was born, that has more cool features than you can count. We also have a classic 1964 red Corvette that's completely restored and is show car ready. And how about this bad boy? A 1965 triple black Vette convertible. Black body, black top, black interior, all in great condition, and a numbers matching 327 V8 power plant. I'm just guessing, Jack, that these are solid passion funds?
Oh yeah, especially that 65. The numbers matching, a lot of original elements with it, and a great restoration. It's got a very high likelihood of a great return on that black convertible, as well as the 61. You'll pay more for it, but the return will also be likely greater.
And you can partake in these babies. Drive them, enjoy them. These are works of art that you can make money on too. Thank you, Jack Worthington, for your investment info.
I'm John Bush, and why do you keep calling me Jack?
Will someone cut him away? Take this little box. We're done with you for now, Jack. In fact, we're almost done with this episode of Money Metal. Before we go, a quick game of hide and seek. We know that some great classic cars are out there hiding, and it might be in your garage or in your grandpa's barn. We have very interested and pre-approved buyers wanting this 1965 to 1980 VW buses. If you have one or you know where there's one in hiding, please help us out. Call us now at 618-271-2110 or leave us a note on our website. Just click on the Contact Us tab at the top. Now, we can't leave without some Wallace wisdom, also known as Car Counseling with Kenny. Need a little music here. That's good. That's good. While this show is aimed at helping you find that dream car, to discover some awesome money metal that will bring you pleasure short term and probably profits in the long run, I also want to give you some advice on what not to buy. Oh boy, here we go. Our first hell no car is the Banana Mobile. It can seat 4, but good luck finding any friends who would be caught dead in this thing. Sure, you could do some awesome peel outs and you could tell everyone that yours is longer. But seriously, steer clear of the Chiquita. This is not a wise investment. But would be fun to see the Banana Buggy driving next to our second hell no car, the Toaster Van. Are you kidding me? This sent in by a lady named Melba. Hell no, Melba. Let's hope this is an advertisement for a Wonder Bread truck or something? Now, put the Toaster Van and the Banana car together. You've got a great start to a good breakfast. Just need a little Ty Dillon and the Cheerios car to round out a balanced start to your day. Now that's a ride I can recommend. That's some high dollar money metal right there. I could wreck that 33 car in no time. Speaking of time, we're out of it for this episode of Money Metal. Be sure to join our next episode as we honor our American heritage, but celebrating American muscle. Oh, the money metal created in this great land during the late 60s and through the 70s. We'll highlight some Hemis and some big block Chevys. Fords won't be forgotten either. It's an American muscle on the next Money Metal. Also, check out our online calendar for our Cars and Coffee, a free event monthly at all our showrooms. And remember, don't drive any faster than your guardian angel can fly. What? Dan, did you write this? I mean, I'm a NASCAR race car driver. I cheat death every week, and you can't even write a good ending to a show.
Money Metal is an exclusive production of Gateway Classic Cars. Any use, sharing, or rebroadcast of this show without the express written consent of Gateway Classic Cars is strictly allowed. Share it all you want. We don't care. This is a free world. We want people to watch Money Metal, so go, like it, share it, but go do something. The show is over.
What are you still doing here? The show's over. Beat it. Skedaddle. Bye.